Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon na pag-uusapan natin ang benefits of organic gardening.
The benefits of organic gardening. Number 1. Higher nutritional value.
Organic food have high vitamin and mineral content than those present in thane counterparts. The chemical-free soil is responsible for creating this bounty. Number 2. Save money. Organic gardening saves your money because you no longer have to buy expensive chemical fertilizers to grow your plants. You can use compost and organic fertilizers in cultivating and growing your plant. You can also recycle organic materials from your lawn or kitchen and use these in creating compost. This means that you will no longer be buying chemicals and fertilizers at all. You will also be doing a big part in reducing organic waste that is ending up in the landfills. Number 3. You become aware of what exactly you are eating. When you plant and grow organic plants yourself, you will become aware of the growth process starting from seeds into ripened fruits and crops. There is a high level of satisfaction when eating fresh fruits and vegetables from your organic garden, rather than purchasing these from stores. Number 4. Organic gardening changes attitude. Organic approach imitates nature, and this teaches gardeners to utilize natural elements and organic plants. Your views and attitude will be changed, such as being a lover of nature and a love of life. Instead of relying on commercial and synthetic products to grow your garden, you learn to execute approaches the natural way. This means less negative effects and damages.
Number 5. Food tastes better. This is a very simple fact and one of the common benefits of organic gardening. Vegetable and fruits grown in your own organic garden taste better, as compared to those purchased from stores and supermarket. In most cases, individuals can consume these fruits and vegetables after picking them. Produce found in grocery stores are usually harvested longer before, and it can still be shipped before being spoiled. Number 6. You will get exercise and fresh air. Organic gardening makes sure that you will get enough of vitamin D, which is the result of ideal sunlight exposure. Getting more of this vitamin is good for your health. Organic gardening is also a recommended activity for those individuals who have high desire to lose weight. Each garden task can actually help you shed about 400 calories per hour. Number 7. Improved knowledge. There are plenty of things you need to learn from this particular type of gardening. One of the main objectives why many people are into organic gardening is to make their gardens grow like natural living things. When engaging into FHIS activity, you will surely come across lots of observing and experimenting. Every season and stage of your organic gardening will be based upon the right knowledge on how to cultivate and grow foods that can certainly make you or your family ultimately healthy. Number 8. Organic gardening is fun and engaging. Organic gardening is a routine that aids in relieving stress and delivering great deal of fun. This will not really eat up all your time, so you still have enough time to do your other priorities. You can do gardening together with your family and friends. The rewards for your hard work are delicious and healthy foods. Number 9. Discovery of new approaches in life. With organic gardening philosophy, individuals are likely to start smart daily life choices about ecology and sustainability. You can recycle and explore more in order to cultivate and grow your plants the natural way. Organic gardening can also be the start of healthier outlook in life. Number 10. Eliminates chemical exposure. The danger of too much chemical exposure is given. Exposure for herbicides and pesticides has been linked to many health problems such as neurological, reproductive and child behavior and many more. One of the most amazing and enduring organic gardening benefits is that this completely eliminates risks and dangers to health. Number 11. Rejuvenates spirit. It does not really take expert for you to realize that organic gardening is peaceful and calming. You can feel these every time you visit your organic garden. Peaceful organic gardening rejuvenates the spirit and offers therapeutic benefits to individuals. Number 12. Reduces waste and pollution. Another benefits of organic gardening is the waste of pollution reduction. There are just few of FHE benefits that individuals can get from organic gardening. Generally, benefits to social, mental and social are known as far as organic gardening is concerned. And those are just some of the benefits of organic gardening and the reasons why I am interested in agriculture. Hoping that you've learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment down below and subscribe to our channel, Reneb Farms. See you on our next video.